How to fix unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine battery. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the reason why this error occurs is that if you have given your iPhone for a recent maintenance or recent fixing, your hardware has been changed and your battery has been replaced to something that is a non-genuine Apple battery. So this only occurs when your device cannot recognize if the battery is genuine from an authentic source or not. So if you're getting this error, there is no actual software way from which you can remove this error. What you'll need to do is you will actually need to just get a new battery. So next time, make sure that you get the battery from an authentic source and not someplace else. So yeah, that is basically the only fix. That is the only way you can not get that error anymore. But what else you can try is you can head over to General, scroll down all the way and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. After this, reset all of your settings and hope that that error goes away. So these are the only way that you can fix the issue. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.